Hi, I'm Mike Diggin with Remax Town & Country in Westchester. I'd like to provide a brief update as far as how the real estate market is doing through the end of the first quarter of 2019. But in order to do so, I really had to kind of take you back to where we were as we concluded 2018. As you may recall, the stock market was in a bit of a sell-off, consumer confidence was low, interest rates were at a 7-year high. A lot of that had an impact as far as settlements and activity in the real estate market as we entered into the first quarter. One of the initial statistics I want to focus on is the number of settlements that took place in the first quarter of 2019 versus the same time frame in 2018. As you can see from the chart, we had a 10.9% decrease for the quarter in 2019 versus 18. That's significant. The other thing I want to point out is the mix of settlements. If you look at the price range, only one price range actually increased. That's the price range between $500,000 to $600,000. All others were consistently lower. I do see a rebound in the market taking place, which is reflected in the pending sales. As you can see, we have a 10.4% increase in pending sales in 2019 in the month of March versus the same time frame for 2018. Those will be reflected in settlements in a very short time. The other thing I want to focus on is the drop in the average sales price year over year from March of 2018 to March of 2019. As the chart reflects, we had a drop from 384 to 380. Not too bad countywide, but we have specific pockets like Westchester where the drop was significantly higher. Almost $40,000 from 460 to about 415. A lot of that has to do with the mix of homes for sale. We are seeing a lot more homes selling at a lower price range than at the higher price range. Now looking ahead, as I talk to my colleagues in real estate and my own personal experiences, we're finding that the inventory is really starting to become a little bit more restricted, a lot like we felt last year. The beginning of the year was a bit of a slump. Now we're starting to see the inventory move quickly, and a lot of times we're getting involved with competitive offers, where multiple offers are being made on the same house. So I think the outlook is very strong for the market in 2019. We're still in a seller's market, although it's become a little bit more balanced than maybe what we saw this time last year. I have statistics and information at a local level if anybody wants to contact me regarding that. And I can also provide a free market analysis of individual homes, something near and dear to people, especially as they're just finishing their taxes and want to get a feel for how their biggest asset is performing against the marketplace. Please give me a call if you have any questions. I can be reached at the information noted at the end of this tape. Thank you.